Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you. We'll be diving into the world of knowledge bases and specifically, how to create one using Document360. If you're looking to streamline your information sharing and enhance customer experience, you're in the right place. So, let's jump right in. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Thank you. First of what is a knowledge base? A knowledge base is an online repository of documentation containing answers to frequently asked questions, troubleshooting guides, how-to instructions, and product information. For example, knowledge base software Document360 provides a feature-rich solution that allows you to get started on publishing documentation within minutes. Why is a knowledge base important? By improving the efficiency and effectiveness of an organization, a knowledge base offers a single source of information for multiple users, reduces the time and effort required to access information, and ensures that the information is accurate and relevant. May 23, 2023. Setting up a knowledge base doesn't have to be complicated. There are a few simple steps you need to follow when building a knowledge base, and you'll be on your way to providing real value for your customers. Sign up and create an account. Visit the Document360 website document360.io and sign up for an account. You may need to choose a pricing plan depending on your needs. Set up your knowledge base project. Once you have access to Document360, create a new knowledge base project. This will serve as the container for all your knowledge base content. Define knowledge base structure. Decide on the categories and subcategories that will organize your content. Think about how users will navigate through your knowledge base to find information easily. Add content. Start creating and adding articles to your knowledge base. Each article should address a specific topic or answer a particular question. Use Document360's built-in editor to format your content. Add images, videos, code snippets, and more. Formatting and styling. Document360 provides a user-friendly editor with formatting options. Use headings, bullet points, numbering, and other formatting tools to make your articles easy to read. You can also customize the styling to match your brand. Linking articles. Create hyperlinks between related articles to help users navigate seamlessly. Cross-referencing articles improves the user experience and makes it easier for them to find relevant information. Adding media and attachments. Document360 allows you to embed videos, images, and other media directly into your articles. You can also attach files like PDFs or spreadsheets if necessary. Set permissions and access control. Define who can access and edit your knowledge base. Document360 offers role-based permissions, which means you can control who can create, edit, or view articles. Search functionality. Document360 has a powerful search engine built in. Ensure that your articles are properly tagged and use relevant keywords to make content easily discoverable through the search bar. Launch your knowledge base. Once you're satisfied with the content and structure, make your knowledge base public or share it with your intended audience. Document360 provides options to set up custom domains if you want to use your own URL. Promotion and user training. Let your audience know about your knowledge base. Promote it through your website, emails, and other communication channels. Consider providing training or guides to help users make the most of the knowledge base. Monitoring and updates. Regularly monitor user engagement and feedback. Use analytics provided by Document360 to understand which articles are popular and where users might be encountering issues. Update and improve your knowledge base accordingly. Also spend time researching exactly what hurdles customers are facing so you can use your findings as inspiration for creating content. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on creating a knowledge base using Document360. Remember, a well-structured knowledge base can save time, improve customer satisfaction, and boost your team's efficiency. If you're ready to take your knowledge base to the next level, check out the link in the description to learn more about Document360. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and until next time.